Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the account and exact link. This avoids permission mismatches. Once done, paste the full URL into an incognito window to rule out cache and extension interference. If the file belongs to another account, switch accounts or request access. Make sure to check the top right account avatar. These first steps remove the most common causes, wrong login or corrupted local data, so you can focus only on issues that need deeper fixes. Now clear cache and cookies specifically for Drive. Google.com, this forces fresh authentication tokens. Then disable extensions one by one. Ad blockers and privacy tools often rewrite URLs, which leads to 404 errors. Next, open Drive and check the files sharing settings and ownership. If you lack permission, request access or have the owner reshare. Doing these steps prevents token, redirect, and permission-based failures, and prepares you for network or admin troubleshooting if the problem persists. Finally, test on a different network or use a mobile hotspot to eliminate firewall or DNS blocking. If you're on a managed account, ask your administrator to review Drive URL restrictions and app policies. Enterprise rules often cause 404s. If none of that works, download the file owner's content and re-upload to create a fresh shareable link. This resolves persistent link corruption. If you still see errors, one key troubleshooting tip: check browser.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.